Access and permissions are critical factors for project settings, which directly determine the stakeholders during the development process of the project at the beginning. Rational permission setting is one of the foundations of good management and a guarantee of the achievement. Excellent access setup can ensure the competitiveness of a team within the industry and reduce the negative effects of unknown uncertainties. Access means viewing, commenting and editing of task content. How to protect own project? Or how to ensure the stability of project's development. At this moment, access and permission are becoming particularly important. In some cases, private project management can be effective in preventing invalid changes or unnecessary risks by other participants. At Tracup, users can add followers and the default public mode allows all participants to edit the content or upload files when creating a task. In the working area, the blue icon at the bottom right corner is clearly visible. By using the task creation function at the bottom right of the task list, it enables developers to quickly set up access, permissions, participants and assignees, which ensures efficient work and comprehensive project management simultaneously. At Tracup, the setting of tasks is entirely up to the user, who can decide whether the task is public or private, and who or which team to share with. Furthermore, access and permissions settings also apply to task sharing. After the task be created, an icon of task sharing can be found above. At this stage, users can decide the reading setup, including read-only and public comment. Based on efficient access to web links and QR codes, developers can decide how public the project sharing is, which is very helpful in terms of promotion and feedback of the task. The efficient sharing and effective protection of project content is always the key focus of Tracup. The continuous improvement of product performance and compatibility is the goal of future development. With Tracup, work could be easier and more efficient, better teamwork and information communication could result in positive outcomes. For more information, please visit our website.